Experience superior sound with Soundcore Q20i, featuring hybrid noise cancellation and extended battery life. It comes in color options of black and blue, white and more. Experience immersive audio with hybrid ANC technology, reducing up to 90% external noise, complemented by 40mm dynamic drivers and bass-up technology for enhanced low frequencies. Stay aware of your surroundings with transparency mode. Choose from 22 EQ presets and manage calls effortlessly with the built-in microphone. Achieve optimal comfort with multi-angle rotatable ear cups, enhanced by breathable mesh material for extended listening sessions. Enjoy lasting comfort with memory foam ear cushions while maintaining safe listening with a 95 decibels maximum volume limit. Connect seamlessly via Bluetooth 5.0 with a 10-meter range, while enjoying dual-device connectivity and automatic switching. High-res audio support available through all connection. Power through your day with 40 hours of playback with ANC enabled, extending to 60 hours in normal mode. A quick 5-minute charge delivers 4 hours of listening time. Switch between ANC normal and transparency modes while utilizing white noise features for relaxation. Fine-tune your audio experience with customizable EQ settings through the dedicated app. For further information, visit the product detail page.